Hi, today I'm introducing TOSCIDO P101 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should launch the settings application and then tap to network and internet. Click the Wi-Fi switcher to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and after that you'll see here all of the available networks. Here we get all of the networks. You should select one from the networks and enter the password. If you wanna just see the password, you should click here to the show password checkbox. Then just tap to connect button, wait a second, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. You could also click here to the settings icon, for example to share with this password with a QR code with someone, or just to click to forget the password. Also, we get one more way how you could do that. Just open the control panel and you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. Click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. To launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while, and now we could see that we're just successfully connected to this network. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.